Hi students, welcome to Botany online class. In these videos, we are going to learn about 12th Biobotany, unit number 9, plant ecology. Under the chapter is 7, ecosystem. Ecosystem. So now we are going to discuss about ecological pyramid. So in previous classes we are going to learn about what is ecological pyramids, what are the types of ecological pyramids. So now we are going to learn about types of ecological pyramids. Generally, the ecological pyramids, there are the three types. They are pyramid of number, and then pyramid of biomass, and third one, pyramid of energy. So now we will discuss about the pyramids one by one. So already in previous classes we will discuss in pyramid of number. Now we are discussed pyramid of biomass. So what is biomass? The biomass nothing but dry weight per unit area. That's why biomass. Dry weight per unit area. That's why biomass. So what is pyramid of biomass? So the pyramid of biomass nothing but a geographical representations of the amount of organic material. The amount of organic material present at each successive tropical level of the ecosystem, that is called pyramid of biomass. For example, and then the pyramid of biomass, there are two different shape takes place. They are upright. Another one, inverted. For example, in upright is, there are the two examples. They are grassland ecosystem. Second one, forest ecosystem. It is an example for upright biomass of, pyramid of biomass. Next one, inverted, only one example for this fog ecosystem. That are example for inverted pyramid of biomass. So now we will discuss the one by one. First one, grassland ecosystem. So the grassland ecosystems of pyramid, the bases of the pyramid which are producer. The producers mostly or always maximum the numbers are grass. That is tropical level 1. And then tropical level 2 is herbivorous or primary consumer. Herbivorous or primary consumer. For example, this rabbit, mice, and etc. So the number of this less in the producer. And then third tropical level is carnivorous. are secondary consumer. So that are feed from the herbivores or primary consumer. For example, this snake, lizard, snake and lizard, that are the example for carnivorous or secondary consumer. And then finally, final tropical level is top carnivorous or tertiary consumer. So that are found in havoc. You see that in pyramids of grassland ecosystem, based into the effects, the number of organisms is gradually, number of biomass gradually decreases from producer into the top carnivorous or producer into the tertiary consumer. That are the example of upright grassland ecosystem of the pyramid of biomass. So another one, forest ecosystem. The forest ecosystems having the pyramid. Thus pyramid is the basis of this pyramid as tropical level 1. The tropical level 1 is producer. The producers which are large tree, and then tropical level 2. The tropical level 2 is herbivorous. The herbivorous are plant eating animals. For example, this deer, elephant. But you see that the number of herbivorous is high, but the produce is the low because it is a large single trees. And then tropical level 3 is top carnivorous or secondary consumer, that are feed from the deer and or herbivorous or primary consumer. For example, this snake, lizard. So that are feed from the primary consumer or herbivorous. And final tropical level is T4. The T4 is top carnivorous or tertiary consumer. So that are feed from the carnivorous or secondary consumer. You see this? Based into the effects, biomass is gradually decreases, but these are producers is a very low. The remaining tropical level 2, tropical level 3 and tropical level 4 are gradually decreases in the number. So therefore this two type of the ecosystem, so the pyramids is always upright pyramid of the biomass. Another one, inverted pyramid of biomass. For example, this pond ecosystem. Pond ecosystem. These are found, the pyramids are inverted. So these pyramids are occupied. The producers show that producers though compare very small organism the possessing lost in the biomass. That is a tropical level 1. Basically the tropical level 1 is producer. The producers like microbes. So that are the minute particles, but their number of these increases. And then tropical level 2. The tropical level 2 is primary consumer. So the primary consumer that are feed from the producer, for example, a small fish, some kinds of beetle and etc. So that are feed from the producer. And then tropical level 3 is secondary consumer. The secondary consumers that are feed from the primary consumers, the number is very less. For example, these are feed from big fish. Big fish that are feed from the primary consumer. So therefore, you see that each level of this, the volume gradually increases toward the tip. You understand? Not here, numbers. So the volume, dry weight, though that are increases based into the effects, but others, grassland ecosystem, forest ecosystem of pyramids of biomass that are gradually decreases based into the effects in a grassland ecosystem and a forest ecosystem. But the pond ecosystem, the base producer into the secondary consumers, the volume of biomass gradually increases. So therefore, the pyramid of biomass of pond ecosystems are always inverted in the shape. Then third one type is pyramid of energy. So what is the energy? So the energy nothing but kilocalorie for unit area or unit of the time. So again, the energy is kilocalorie for unit area for unit time of season or yes, that's why the energy. So what is called pyramid of energy? The pyramid of energy is a geographical representations of energy flow at each successive tropical level of the ecosystem. That's why pyramid of the energy. So the pyramid of energy is always upright. See the basis of the pyramids are tropical level 1. The tropical level 1 is producer. So the producer always are which are grass. And second one, tropical level 2. The tropical level 2 is primary consumer. So the primary consumer nothing but herbivores or plant eating animals. For example, this rabbit, mice, grasshopper and etc. That are the tropical level 2. And then tropical level 3 is secondary consumer. The secondary consumers are otherwise known as carnivorous, that are flesh eating animals. For example, this snake, lizard and etc. that are feed from the primary consumer. And then the final tropical level is top carnivorous or tertiary consumer. So the tertiary consumer is awac. You see this premise based into the effects, the transfer of food energy from every or each level of the each tropical level is the decreases. Already we learn about 10 10% law. So what is 10% law? Who introduced by this? So the 10% law introduced by or introduced by Lippmann in 1942. So what is 10% law? Understand? 10%. The transfer of food energy from one tropical level into the another tropical level, only storage at 10%. So the remaining 90% of energy is lost from the heat of environment, that is called 10% law. So the 10% law pyramid of energy is every tropical levels only utilized for 10% of energy. The remaining 90% energy is loss of the environment. For example, this, they show the sunlight. The sunlight dropped with the producer at 1000 joules. So out of the 1000 joules, the plants only observed in 10%, I mean 100% of the joules. So this solar energy only observed in the green plant or autotrophic plant that are converted in the chemical energy. This process is the photosynthesis. Already in previous classes or in lower class level, you understand photosynthesis, the process by which light energy converted into the chemical energy. That is called a photosynthesis. So only thousands of joules, the plants only utilized for 100% of them, then remaining 900 joules of energy lost the environment. That is the tropical level 1. Tropical level you see there. So these are feed from the energy for producer. So only 10% of energies are utilized for this. So the remaining 90% of joules of energy lost from the environment. And then tropical level is so only utilized for 1%, the remaining 9% of joule of energy loss of the environment. Finally, tropical level 4. The tropical level 4 only utilized 0.1% of energy. So the remaining 0.9% of energy lost from the environment. So therefore you see the tracing to the effects. So every tropical levels only utilized for the 10% of the energy. The remaining 90% of the energy is lost in the environment. So therefore, the pyramid of energy is always upright. Thank you students. Today class is over.